If you are looking for skilled window leak contractors, well, you found us. We are windowleakrepairs.com. We are South Florida's premier window and door leak repair specialists with a main focus on conclusive results. When we are contacted, we arrange a time when we can visit your residence to inspect the windows and doors. We inspect the seals around the window and door frames, the glass line, weather stripping, attachment anchors, cracks in the exterior stucco, window frame mechanical joints, and mullion connections. We also pay close attention to surrounding areas to determine the direct source of the water intrusion. We also have thermal imaging cameras to look into the walls to see where and how the rainwater enters inside of your home, and also observe the interior damage caused by the leak. We are firm believers that most exterior window sealants usually only last 6 to 8 years in direct Florida sun. When aged sealants start to fail in one area, other areas are soon to follow, considering the lifespan of the sealants. Even the best professional-grade sealants become detached and curl or crack and shrink over its lifespan. Once the sealant line has been compromised, water passes into the sealant line and into the wall system. If you suspect you have a window leak as a direct result of sealant line failure, contact us for a field inspection. Now, that being said, we work mainly on residential homes for homeowners directly. We do work on condominiums and high-rise residences, providing we have direct access to the leak location with balcony access. If you need us to take a look and inspect all your windows for leaks, give us a call at 954-804-1044 or email us at windowleakrepairs@gmail.com. We are Florida State certified window and door contractors that focus on repairs and conclusive window and leak repairs. Our service areas include Boynton Beach, Delray Beach, Hillsborough Beach, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, Parkland, and Coral Springs.